In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add volume in GoCharting. By the end, you'll have a clear view of how much trading activity is happening behind each price bar, which can help confirm breakouts, spot exhaustion, and understand momentum with more confidence. Start by opening the chart you're analyzing. Make sure you're on the correct symbol and time frame so the volume you add reflects exactly what you want to study. Whether you're looking at a short-term move or a longer trend, having the right chart in front of you sets the stage for accurate analysis. Next, go to the top toolbar and click the Indicators menu. It's typically labeled Indicators, and on some layouts, it may show an icon that looks like a beaker or similar tool symbol. This is the place where all analytical tools live in GoCharting, and it's where you'll find volume. In the search box that appears, type the word volume. Keep it simple. Just the word itself is enough. As you type, the platform will filter the list in real time, making it easy to narrow down your choices. You may see several options, so take a second to scan the list. From the results, select the volume underlay indicator. This is the version designed to accompany your price action cleanly without cluttering the main chart. Choosing the underlay option ensures that volume is presented in a dedicated area, making it easier to read at a glance and compare bar-by-bar activity with what the price is doing. Once you select it, the indicator will appear on your chart in its own pane, typically just below the price chart. You'll see a series of vertical bars, one for each price bar. Taller bars indicate higher traded volume for that period. Shorter bars mean lighter activity. Many layouts use color cues to show whether the bar corresponds to upward or downward price movement, which can help you quickly align volume surges with rallies or sell-offs. If you hover your cursor over a bar, you'll usually see the exact volume value for that candle, which is handy for precise comparisons. That's all you need to add volume in GoCharting. Open your chart, click the Indicators menu, type volume, and select Volume Underlay. With volume now visible in its own pane, you can confirm price moves more effectively and spot when participation is increasing or drying up. Keep your chart focused, avoid unnecessary clutter, and let the volume pane do its job, providing a clean, reliable read on market participation right beneath your price action.